What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We're back for another video out in Torrance. Of course, we gotta hit up the Torrance outlet. Let's go see what they got. Shout out to Francisco right there, heading out with his family. He found, damn, he just got some heat. Fire red 3s. Got that for 30% off here. Holy crap. All right, man, 30% off. Let's go. Let's go, man. Hopefully, man. Let's go hit up that heat wall. Oh, they do got the little heat section right there. No more fire red 3s though. So just the 3s that just came out, and then the Royal, was it the Hyper Royal 12? Okay. I love how Nike says, hey, we're gonna stop the reselling, and then they still let people get five pairs. I don't know. It is what it is. Just be consistent, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't care, you don't care, but if you do, you do, whatever, you know? And then still got this heat section right here. Do get that 30 off, which is freaking fire. Check this side right here. Man, dude, what is this? Oh, it's a core purple. I was like, is this another Fire Red 3? To be able to get this for 30% off, that's what's up. That's a 12.5 right there. Got the stealth ones. These are clean. Does have that suede. Oh my goodness, the suede inside right there. 10.5. This is my size. 30% off. That's just fire. Yeah, that's fire. That's fire. Got a LeBron 20? Oh my goodness. LeBron 20 for 30%. Someone was just telling me they want an 8.5. Holy crap. Someone was just telling me they want an 8.5. And then I got it for him right here, especially for 30% off. Holy crap. Wow. So one of my boys, I was just talking to him this morning, and that fool said, hey, he's looking for these. And then I told him, hey, dude, you know, if I find them for 30% off, I'll definitely get that to you. That's freaking dope. Union Cortez. Do got these right here. This is a size 10. To be able to get it for 30% off site. That's really dope. This is a 6.5. 6.5 men's, because they didn't make grade school on these. They got dunks. Size 8 right here for these. That's a mids. Size 8.5. Got the Shuri, whatever. Man, I don't know how to say that full name, dude. But 6.5 for those. Damn, the leather on this is pretty nice. That's huge as hell though. And then they got the Jordan 36s here. Ooh, also got the Michigan States. Michigan State dunk size 9. And then on the other side, I saw these. What, I want to say 2 weeks ago. I saw these size 9. They weren't on sale now. They are now. Be able to get the Jordan 11s for 30% off. Man, got grade school right here too. Dang, I feel like it's like way back when you can get stuff on. Man, this is making me happy as hell. Oreos, get that for 30 off. And then even these. This is 10.5 men's. Damn, that is crazy fire. Crazy fire, wow. Yeah, let me grab these right now. I'm gonna ask for the other size in the box. Apparently they got to take it to the front. I'm gonna buy it right now because they said they'll put it on hold for me. Man, stuff don't always work out, so I'm gonna go pay for it, put it in the car, and then I'll look around some more. All right, let's go take care of business. All right, so they haven't applied the discount yet.
154.
Damn, that's what's up. So I ended up with full box. This was a display item, but got the full box. Did get 30%. These haven't been used because I checked the outsole. The outsole is nice and clean. The laces are still on here. So just hella clean. Man, to be able to get this for 30% off. Where the hell are the laces? The laces were on when I checked it earlier. What the hell? He switched it with, oh wait, I was like, what, they had laces? Okay, it came off. It came off of the little thing. Oh man, I was about to get mad. I do got the extra laces right here. Damn, dude, that's what's up. Total ended up coming out to $140 plus tax. Man, that's what that Nike outlet game is about. Got to hook up my boy for hella cheap. That's what's up. Has all the teams that he played for on there. That's actually pretty dope. Okay. All right, so I was gonna take it to the car. I'm too lazy. All right, let's go look at the clearance section. Let's go look at the entire rest of the store, man. Crazy. Seeing the Nike Air Max Scorpions for the first time. These are the Vapor Max on steroids. Dang, these look wild. The air pressure seems a lot higher too. Like, holy crap, these are definitely wild. This is a size 10. The top looks exactly like the Vapor Max Flyknits up top, and then just the bottom portion just extra steroidy. Okay, what these going for? $250. Do get that 30 off. I don't know if they sold out on single. I don't know, but okay. First time seeing them. Airmore Tempos, man. We never saw these on sale, even during the height of the pandemic, because they didn't have like 700 different colorways. $9.5, $1.75. Do get that discount. Air Max 1 Premiums going for retail. Do get that 30 off. And then yeah, we're seeing a ton of these. $210. Do get that discount, dude. Got a size 9 here as well. I'm gonna eventually end up with one of those. Those are just too fire. LeBron Witness 6s. Go for $95. LeBron 9s. We've seen these for $1.25. A little bit more here. $2 pretty much. All right, what these going for? $170 for these. These are size 11. $180 for these, size 9. Another one of these. These are size 9.5. Going for $150 still. Another one of these, size 9.5. Do got a Jordan AJKOs. Man, we're starting to see a lot of retros. Okay. Pretty dope. Does have the extra lace. Size 8.5. It is going for a retail $150. You do get that discount right there, man. Pegasus 38. So they think no Pegasus 38 fools? No, man. These are selects. Are these the new ones? These look ugly. No, I was like, those would look like the Quest. Yep. I was gonna say the wind flows, but the Quest even lower than that. Zion 2s, man. I've been meaning to get y'all a review of these. Like I've said, I think I've said it a million times. This one does have like kind of like a synthetic upper, unlike the one that I have, which is all suede. This one just seems like way more built for basketball. The one that I have, the Voodoo colorway, I don't think it's really meant for basketball. Okay, but yeah, you got them $120, size 9.5. Infinity, Kyrie Infinity is going for $60. This was a better colorway. I'd so grab these. Was that 60? You get 30 off. Was that $42? Damn. Metcons, these are 8.5. Their sizes are everywhere today. $90 for those. SB iShods. Retail, I guess. But all this stuff, even for retail, even with that 30% off, not too bad. $90 for these Go Flyies. These are size 7 though. And Jordan Lucas, just saw this for the first time earlier today. Threw them on my Instagram. Alright, $110 for those. That was only a size 7 though. Do got some Air Max 90 Terrascapes. Size 8.5, go for $140. Oh, I thought I was going up in size. I'm going down in size. I forgot they changed things around here. That's why. Okay, I'm just dumb, dude. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. That's why I'm seeing all the size 7s, 8s. Alright, I'm dumb. Just way down. Size 7.5. Do got the Serena Williams right here, the Air Force Ones. Those are interesting. $140. All right, now we're moving up in size 10 and above. Zion 2s, $120 for these, size 10. Jordan System 23s. What the hell is? Oh man, we've seen these. Did show these a while back. Wannabe Crocs, but you can also take out. You could take the insert stuff out, so it feels like a little bit like a shoe with it on, and without it feels more like Crocs. They charging a ton for these too. All right, even have separate insoles too. But yeah, they don't have the retail price anymore, so I can't tell y'all. Air Deldens. First time I saw these was earlier today. These are definitely interesting. Are these for hoops? They look like they're hoop sneakers. It's like weird how much room they have right here, and then it falls precipitously right there. What the hell? Interesting. Okay. Yeah, $120 for these. These are size 12. LeBron still going down to $120. Okay, 30 off. That's under $90. What are these? The Zoom GT Jumps going for $180. That's 10.5. LeBron 19s. These are down to $130. What is this? I've never seen these before. Vapor 14 Pro TFs. These are turf shoes for football. Okay. Nyjah Freeze. These are size 12 right here. Going for $80. Two got these premiums right here. Okay. Size 14, Infinity Run Flyknits. Alright, that's cheap as hell. Zoom Fly size 13, go for 100. Got some Air Force One Flyknits, go for 130, size 12. Infinity Run Flyknits. Giving him some advice on some running shoes. Trying out a few things. Alright, checking out the aisles. You got the Alpha Fly Next Percents right here. And we're starting off with the running shoes, I guess. Invincible Run Flyknit 2s. Infinity Run Flyknits. They got the Phantom React Flyknits right here. Got the first version. Is this? Oh, this is a 2s, my bad. Pegasus 37s. Structures. Terra Kigers. Vapor Max Flyknit 2021s. Another one of those. Air Max 270s. Air Max 2090s. Another one of those. Pennies, man. Air Max 95s. Air Force One Mid Quick Strikes. Another one of those. Different flavor though. Air Force One. Okay, those are whatever. Air Max APs. Genomes right here. Got another Genome. Another Air Force One High. Wait, were those? Yeah, those other ones were made. I'm tripping. Got some Be True Cortez. This is the only Cortez that they're making right now. Like, why not make the Cortez that people want? They want like the OG colorways, man. I got friends that are way into Cortez and fools don't sell them. The black and white ones, the all black ones, and then the Forest Guns. None of them available. Alley Oops. Seen a bunch of these. Actually, I haven't seen the black ones. We've seen this colorway and the Chicago colorway. Immortalities. Another one of those. Blazer Lows. I haven't seen one of these guys in a while. He's like sells stuff online. He's like doing live sales, like in China or something, kind of weird. Hydro 6s. Access. Flytrap 5s. Kyrie Low 4s. More Flytraps. Soldier 14s. Another one of those. LeBron 9s. Go for hella low, though. Did I show these? I don't think I showed this side right here. We got the Infinity Run Flyknits. Go for $70 each right here. Not bad. This one's going for $65. Wow, okay. Alright. And they only got smaller sizes on all these. Look at that. $55 freaking dollars. Holy crap. I just realized these are all women's. Okay. There's like spillover. I was like, I swear I thought I saw the men's running sneakers. Okay. And then of course I gotta check this one last time. Don't see anything that I didn't see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw these, but I think this might be the thumbnail right here. Damn, I hope I got enough. For you guys. Because I kind of want to get the hell out of here. I got stuff to do. Plans changed a little bit. Now I gotta make 2 more stops before I gotta get home. Got hats. These are going for what? $25. You get 30 off. That's the Jordan backpack that I did get. I used this like crazy when I was in Vegas, and I overpaid. I paid what, $13? But I saved on beers because I was grabbing these and I was able to take a bunch of beer inside the venue, so I saved a crap ton. So I didn't want to save $3 and then waste $100 on alcohol. You got shin guards right here, go for $100. Okay. Oh, let's see if they got any backpacks on sale. I am looking for backpacks. $30. This is like a cheap backpack. Holy crap. Like with gifts and stuff like that, I'd feel like bad giving someone like really cheap stuff like this. Like I always try to get them higher quality stuff, but not really available right now. $30 for this, man. So there's 30% off clearance apparel. Haven't really been seeing much though, man. A lot of sweats. Is this a Colts? Is this a Colts jacket right here? 80 down to 80? 80 down to 80. It is an XL. That's pretty dope. Brooklyn jersey. Kyrie Irving jersey? Really? Okay. $110. Then what's behind? Is that a Davis jersey? Okay. Davis jersey right here. Those are both smalls. Going for retail though. Super Flight hoodie. Regular price. AMC. Like I'm not seeing much. Got Tech Fleece. $75. That's not too bad, especially since you get 20% off. So what was that, $15 off? So $60. So that's not too bad. I got my Tech Fleece jacket for that much. This is a pullover though. All right, nothing too crazy. That heat section though, that's what's up. But I think we're done. All the LeBron jerseys come for retail. All right, let's go. All right, number one, I forgot to show you guys the shoes I'm wearing. These are the LeBron 14 Mag colorway. This was before he joined the Lakers, so they didn't have the MPLS. But I just realized, like, the little eyelids, or the little eye stay areas right there, Those are 3M right there, huh? I just realized that. Not much, but a little 3M.
Yeah.